Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can import passwords to NordPass. So in this tutorial, I'm going to be giving you the steps on how you can import passwords on desktop and as well with the Android. So let's start with the desktop. So first, you need to log into NordPass and open the settings. So just tap on this gear icon at the top right and then scroll down to import and export section and select the import items, this one. And then you can choose the password manager from which you have exported your data or choose the option spreadsheet. So just a note that if you are unable to import your CSV file using one of the passwords manager options, you can try using other when uploading your CSV file through the spreadsheets category. You just have to make sure to organize the CSV file accordingly. So just click on this spreadsheet right here. And then once you click on that one, just upload the exported file. So now for importing passwords using the Android application. So first you need to open the NordPass application, then go to the profile at the bottom right. From there, you have to select the import, this one, and then select the browser that you want to import your login information from. And then after that, open your browser and follow the on-screen instructions. So once the steps are completed, saved passwords will appear in your NordPass vault. So that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!